immaculate. Go.
Actually, it's your laugh that I like.
I love that thing you're wearing.
You love my shirt?
Yeah.
It was like 12 bucks at Walmart. Oh, I didn't put my ring on. Just a minute.
I'm married.
There you go. There you go. Work it.
Work it, girl.
Okay.
Queen.
Where were we? When I was so rudely interrupted.
Mom, I can't see the basket. It's too low.
Do you want to put it on my arm?
Yeah. Walk back more. You're slouching.
Twist my ankle, prancing around. So what are you doing? Okay, you do these amazing interpretive dances in the back. I have no idea what's going on. Okay. Huh? It's good? Okay. All right, so you want to work in sections and you're going to sort of paint your medium on. So you want to work in sections and you're going to paint your medium on that section first. Okay, so you put your paper down. You put your paper down. I just want you to know that Shay McGee had her hair doing that the whole time. Nobody was helping her. They need you. Shay. All right, I love this topic because what?
Kira.
Oh.
She's drinking a lot of water.
So thirsty.
She's gonna run out of water.
Lisa goes, just do a bunch of easy videos, easy pictures.
Wait.
YouTube is so spazzy. Okay, ready? Are we rolling? Got the mic on, battery's good, all that?
Yes, sir.
We're plugged in?
Yeah.
Plug it in a little tighter. Alright.
Hello, my dear. Wait, try to say it as low as you can. Hello, my dear.
Well, hello my dears, this is Sarah from SheHoldsDearly.com, and today we're gonna talk about how to upgrade. No, never mind. Cut. Starting over. Okay. Hello my dears, this is Sarah from SheHoldsDearly.com, and today
That's so weird.
or the footrest of a slip decorating stores and pay like $10 for, I don't know, a big rooster or something. Oh my gosh, I sound so dated by saying that. Don't talk about the rooster. I feel really embarrassed by saying rooster. What is this, a hexagon? Yeah, I do like hexagons. Growing day is considered a day that stays 50 degrees above, or if the dirt is 60 degrees or more. That does not make sense. Like, which one is it? I don't even know. Okay, never mind. Don't put that in, okay? And there's just nothing in the world like sleeping on sheets that smell like sunshine. There's just nothing in the world like sleeping on sheets that smell like... There's just nothing... Uh-oh, I think I got green paint in my hair.
Oh, no. Yeah. There's been no payment, so yeah, we'll just go ahead.
How is it?
The back feels bad. Recliner. This is just gonna look like green flames. And I am going to bury this actually on its side in a 4-inch deep trench. And I'm going to point, oh crap.
What?
Okay, I think that these circles are going to be a nightmare.
Quiet in the peanut gallery.
I think I'm gonna stab my finger.
Don't do that, please.
It may not be on accident.
You'll get blood on this. You're gonna need a Sharpie and a measuring tape. You're gonna need a Sharpie and a measuring tape. And
Things to put orange juice in it.
yeah.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Okay, which one are you more concerned about, the carpet or the floor?
Why didn't you guys have drop cloths?
Because
Please.